Hey, let me show you how you can connect Xiaomi Watch S3 to Strava. So all you have to do is just to grab your phone, and that's actually obvious that you have to get Strava application on your smartphone. Also, you have to open the Mi Fitness application, and now you have to go into the profile on the right bottom corner, then go into the third-party data, and now click on the Strava. Then click to connect. Now just wait for this website, and as you can see from here, we can find few login method. So in my case, I'm using the Google account, but if you have Apple, Facebook, or for example, you get like separate account for Strava, so you can input your data right here. In my case, I have to click to log in using the Google, like this. Now from this, I have to pick one of the following account. And then when I select this account, I will have to click to authorize. You will get actually this orange authorize button, and you will be actually logging into the Strava, and all of this data from the Mi Fitness application will be automatically synchronized into the Strava. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.